Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Lonnie in Montana on the Ranger RCI-2995DXCF. Lonnie, gets ready to go, bud. This is just our basic tune alignment and the Toshiba voltage regulator, as well as the digital turbo echo board installed. We've installed that right here with the matching knobs. Okay, we're going to go and get right to it. Going to turn your RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. There's your 5 watts. That way if you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio, audio, audio. That's 68 bird average. Go over here to the 250-watt slug and PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 150. Just roll it all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. About 148 right there. Alright, Lonnie's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. Get up there to the big state of Montana from your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bum, bum.